Welcome again to Technologies. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a sticker and add in your WhatsApp. The first application to create that sticker, and this one is called Sticker Market. We can find in Play Store. This video is animated both computers and cell phones. If you want to know how did you search the computer for an application, like this one is for cell phones, look for an emulator in Technologies. Now we are going to open the emulator, and this way enter here Sticker Market and download application. Okay, I have this, and you can create a new packet of sticker. Okay, select here, and I have this. We can see we can send very, and you can open your gallery, open or other form in your files, etc. And you download the image and go to the WhatsApp application. Here we can see WhatsApp and press give and sticker and press create. In create you can enter the photo that you download or other photo and open. It's very quick and simple. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us here in Real Reliable Technologies.